What's up guys, Bricks here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing the set number 30704 and it is a Sonic theme set. It has 42 pieces and I recently got this with a gift with purchase. So without further ado, let's get started with this cutesy little polybag build. Okay guys, we are done building our little bird and it's really cute. It's very simple, very minimalistic, but it still has a lot of details in there. I love the fact that there's this clear stand on the bottom, so that was pretty neat. And for those of you that don't know me, I do not like having these pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and put our little buddy here in the corner. There you go. Hopefully he'll stay. Nope, he keeps popping out. Yeah, I don't like having loose pieces at all. There you go. Very pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this little build. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. And as always, guys, don't forget to keep building. Until next time.